Error code 5002 indicates a drop breakup error, meaning the ink drops are not separating correctly. Common causes are a dirty charging electrode or a defective oscillator. If the charging electrode is dirty, clean the charging slot and the charging electrode. If the fault is caused by a damaged oscillator, replace the oscillator. See you next time.